Today I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted transaction in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online does not usually let you restore a deleted transaction with one click, but you can use the audit log to find the deleted details and recreate the transaction. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Audit Log. If you do not see Audit Log, you may need admin permissions. Once the audit log opens, use the filters to narrow the results. Open the Events filter and select Deleted or Voided Transactions. You can also adjust the date range if you know when the transaction was deleted. Now review the list and find the transaction you want to recover. When you find it, click View. QuickBooks will show the details of the deleted or voided transaction. Check the transaction type, date, customer or vendor, amount, category, product or service, tax, memo, and any other details. Keep this information open, or copy the details so you can recreate the transaction. Next, open a new QuickBooks tab or go back to the main dashboard. Create the same type of transaction that was deleted. For example, if it was an invoice, create a new invoice. If it was an expense, create a new expense. Enter the same date, customer or vendor, amount, accounts, items, tax settings, memo, class, location, or project details. Try to match the original transaction as closely as possible. If the deleted transaction was from a reconciled period, make sure the date and amount match exactly so your reconciliation is not affected. Before saving, compare the new transaction with the audit log details one more time. Once everything matches, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will now have the transaction recorded again. And that's how to recover a deleted transaction in QuickBooks Online by using the audit log and recreating the original entry.